Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Porsche Panamera. First, gather all your necessary tools and the correct type of new engine oil. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate gear such as gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change experience for you and your vehicle. Now, let's move on to draining the old engine oil. Carefully locate the drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Use the correct wrench to loosen and remove it, allowing the used oil to flow completely into a designated drain pan. This step is crucial for removing contaminants. Once drained, inspect the drain plug and always replace the crush washer with a new one to ensure a proper, leak-free seal when reinstalling. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use a specialized oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to spill. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Do not over-tighten. Finally, let's add the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact type and recommended capacity, typically around 9 to 10 quarts for a Panamera. Pour the fresh oil slowly into the fill port. After filling, start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level with the dipstick. Top up if needed and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.